Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how to make this simple card. The supplies you'll need are shown here. You don't need much at all, just some paper or base for your card, a pencil to draw out the design, and a few different colored pens depending on your preferences. Here you can see the assortment that I used, but really choose whatever you wish. First, use your pencil to draw out the various words. I used a ruler as well to make sure that the words were perfectly straight and also to get the spacing that I wanted. Once you are happy with the layout of your words, take one of your colored pens and start filling them in. And basically you're going to repeat this process for all of the words. It's very, very simple. And here I varied up the design slightly by just outlining the letters instead of filling them in completely. Next, I chose blue. And then finally, I chose a deep red or maroon color. And once you've colored in all of the words, your card is complete. This is a really quick and easy card to make that will surely impress any recipient. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also write any suggestions you may have for future videos or card designs down below in the comment section. Happy crafting!